Welcome to Health Tips by SHAH.
For everybody that experiences upper respiratory lot disease, that implies nose, throat, you experience issues relaxing, you have the hack, particularly assuming you have bronchitis or then again asthma. This extraordinary recipe will help you a great deal. How you will make a syrup that you're going to drink just a single tablespoon of day, and after you take this ideal syrup, it's going to open your upper respiratory lot and you will feel improved. This straightforward syrup can assist with separating blockage and open up your breathing sections. At the point when you feel asthmatic episode coming on, take 1 tablespoon of this syrup. Following items require to make this syrup: 1/2 cup crude honey, 1/2 cup newly pressed lemon juice, 1 piece new ginger, stripped 6 garlic cloves, 1/4 tablespoon of cayenne pepper. Method: put the honey, lemon juice, ginger, garlic, the cayenne in the blender and mix it. Store at room temperature for as long as 2 days or in the cooler up for multi-week. You have ideal solutions for your upper respiratory parcel. You simply have to several times each day. You take 1 little spoon of this ideal syrup and it will help you a ton in what is most significant in protected and regular manner. Assuming you have any sort of idea about regular cures that will assist you or help you with this sort of issues, kindly remark underneath. For everybody that needs to figure out how to forestall upper respiratory plot contamination in regular way.